What happens if someone steals your crypto wallet? With most devices, it's game over, but with Ellipal, it's actually built so even if it falls into the wrong hands, it can protect itself. None of this is financial advice. Always do your own research. So this is Ellipal, and we can tell by the website that right away, it's clear that they approach security differently. This wallet is not just about software encryption or passwords. Its entire design is focused on physical defense. Ellipal wallets are built with a fully sealed metal body. This isn't just for aesthetics. It's designed to prevent physical tampering, probing, or forced access. Unlike plastic wallets that can be opened with tools, Ellipal's casing is intentionally resistant to intrusion. One of the most important features of Ellipal is its anti-tamper self-destruct mechanism. If someone attempts to open, modify, or physically interfere with the device, the wallet automatically wipes all sensitive data. This means private keys are erased instantly, no data can be extracted, and the wallet becomes useless to an attacker. Even advanced physical attacks cannot expose your crypto keys. This adds a level of protection that goes far beyond typical cold wallets. Now, Ellipal also has a dedicated EAL5 Plus secure element chip. This is the same security grade used in banking cards and government-grade hardware. This chip is responsible for securing and storing your private keys, signing transactions internally, and isolating sensitive operations from the main processor. Because everything happens inside the secure element, private keys never leave the protected environment, even during transaction signing. Now, what truly stands out about Ellipal is how all of its security layers work together. You have a fully air-gapped design, meaning no Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB data connections. You've got a secure element chip protecting cryptographic operations and a metal anti-tamper casing with automatic data wipe functions. Whether the threat is online or offline, remote or physical, Ellipal is built to block intrusion at every level. This layered approach is what turns Ellipal from a basic cold wallet to a complete security ecosystem, and the setup is super quick here, guys. It's basically a 1 to 3 minute setup, and it's super beginner friendly with no tech skills needed. Now, what about the tokens you can have on the wallets? Well, these guys actually support over 40 different blockchains, 50 plus stablecoins, and over 10,000 different tokens. So if we can actually go deeper into this, you can actually go ahead and check if your preferred token that you're hodling is actually on this list. So we can see here that yes, you can send and receive Bitcoin, which is usually a popular choice here. You can scroll down, and even if we wanted, say, BNB on here, we can do so very, very easily, and it's given us this chart, so we can basically take a look at everything the wallet can do depending on your asset. So I'd highly recommend checking this out, and just going ahead and finding your preferred asset. Because yes, you can send and receive basically on all of these, but some of them maybe you cannot buy or maybe you can sell. It really depends on what they have set up with the infrastructure. But overall, if you're just looking for somewhere to hold your crypto in a secure and gapped way, this is the perfect wallet for you. Ellipal isn't just about storing your crypto offline. It's about protecting your assets even in the worst case scenarios, because we know with AI, the risks are a lot higher, especially in the crypto world. So having a wallet that you can trust with maximum security is definitely something you guys want to consider. If you want a wallet that stays secure even when it's not in your hands, Ellipal is worth a serious look. It's not just a cold wallet, it's a fortress for your crypto. Feel free to learn more at ellipal.com. I'll leave a link below. That's all from me. Have a fantastic day. I'll see you in the next one.